all had a good weekend. We're back open. It's the 12th of December and the weather is awful. I will take you outside and you can have a look because it's not good. It's not good at all. So it's really wet and miserable. Now I'm told on my weather app that it will brighten up later. I hope so. So what have we got to do today? So bin needs to go outside, need to tidy up a little bit. And then I've definitely got a wheel I need to sort out. I'd like to build a bike today. So this wheel here has got to be sorted. I'd like to make a start on going through the wheels that are good so that I can, what am I trying to say? So that I can start processing them and actually getting good wheels, like for sale basically. And then I'm going to chop up some frames. That's my plan for today. First things first though, I do need to do some social media, tell people that we're open, and then we've got sale on. So I need to catch up with that. So that's my first job this morning, is to do some social media. If you haven't, you can follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. I think that's the 5. So that's my my task for this morning, so I'm going to crack on with that. So that's social media done for the morning. So now I can get on with some work. So basically what I've done is I have shared one of our bikes that are for sale. I put it on the website, I've shared it around the internet, I've then shared a video, our last daily diary around Twitter and social media and Facebook and all the others. I then updated the website with the sale bike picture and the new video. I've then shared the last post we made on Twitter. We reposted those, and then I have shared our current stock video. I'll put a link in the description to that one, to our social media. So I've shared it with our Twitter, our Instagram, our Facebook, LinkedIn, but I've also shared it to loads of selling groups within like a 20-mile radius, so people can see what we've got at this point in time. So that's what I've done, and it's took an hour. Right, I'm going to get on. I'm going to put the kettle on. You can see how cold it is. Look at my breath. I'm going to put a woolly hat on. I'm going to put the kettle on. I'm going to stand by the heater for a bit, and then I'm going to get that wheel done. Hello? Come on. Still let the air out of this one. I feel like I get dirty doing nothing in this shop. So we just need to put this in and we are done. I just don't understand how I get so dirty so quickly. I mean, like 3 seconds in and my hands are black already. I think I'm going to start charging like a filth tax maybe. Okay, so my next job of the day is to build this little Apollo Force that we've had for a little while. It's going to need a little bit of work. Front brake doesn't work, so I might need to put a new front cable on. Back brake does work, and I need to inflate the tyres, but that's going to be my next job because this could be quite a nice little bike for somebody. So I'm going to crack on with that. This is the little Apollo Force, and so I put a new tube on the front, I put a new brake block on, put a new brake cable and new pedals because the pedals were broken. I messed about for ages with 9/16 because I didn't look, and actually they're 1/2 inch. So this is a nice little bike. This will be on our website the next couple of days once I've dried it off. But yeah, if you're after an 18-inch wheel little BMX, this is going to be a bargain. Someone's going to absolutely adore this. It'll be perfect for Christmas. It's been serviced as well, so keep your eyes peeled. Okay, my next job for the day is I'm going to try and process 12 wheels a day in terms of just going through them and getting them ready for sale. So this is like second quality control really, and I'm checking for how smooth the bearings are, if there's any play, I'm checking for condition, I'm checking for trueness. This is really going to be, in order to get through to pass this test, they need to be good wheels. They've also got to be logged on the computer, so that's my task, is to go through these, try and get 12 done a day, and then I can make a pile of the ones that don't pass and start processing them for the materials, and the ones that do pass can be stickered up and put on sale. So, really busy morning. I've built a bike, repaired a wheel, I've sorted through 12 wheels. The ones that didn't make it, I have chopped up, and I've chopped up 3 aluminium frames. I'm now going for my lunch. We'll see you back this afternoon. So I'm back from lunch, and I need to get the shop tidied up and the workshop tidied up, and do some social media and bits and pieces, and get a bike that we built last week on the website so people can buy it. So that's my plan. I'm going to put this on time lapse and watch them tidy up first. So I'm going to get on with that. Okay, so that's me done in terms of stuff you'll want to watch. I've done all the wheels, I have swept up, I've now got to upload a bike and make this video and upload that. So I'm going to crack on with that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. We really love having our subscribers. And we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow.